Is your mattress bulging on one side or even smack dab in the middle? Well, here's why and how you can fix it. Wear and tear on your bed is normal, especially after sleeping on it nightly for many years. The main reason why your mattress is bulging in a certain spot is because there's uneven weight distribution. Since you probably sleep in the same spot every single night, your body pressure forces the materials in the mattress to conform and contort around your body type and sleep style. Since the top of the bed is being compressed around where the bulk of your weight rests, it will then bulge in places where no weight constricts it. Some simple and quick fixes to this is buying either a mattress topper or simply rotating it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for some more sleep tips.